Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mention everyone in a Telegram group. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Telegram mobile application, and then you just have to select that particular group in which you want to mention everyone. So over here, in order to mention everyone, you just have to type this command in this message box that says @ after that this @ you just have to type everyone, and once you type everyone you just have to tap on this enter button right next to it. So what this command will do is, once you type @everyone in the group, it will show you all of the people that are in that group, and it is going to mention each and every people in this group. You can even mention only one person. For that you just have to press @ and after that you just have to type their username. Now once you type their username, you will be able to see their profile in the top. So you just have to select their profile and then you need to press the enter button. This way you will be able to mention everyone in a Telegram group. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.